The war between buffaloes and lions never ends. Now the lions are ambushing the buffaloes. There are quite a few buffaloes in this herd. Now it's the adult buffaloes. They are not easy to deal with. And among herbivores, buffaloes are quite united. They are quite united. They often counterattack the lions. The lions are gathering here. They have launched a surrounding operation. The leader of the lion, it has also joined the battle. Let's fight together. These are male buffaloes. They weigh over a ton. Let's see if the buffalo leader can lead the team. Come back to rescue their comrades. Once a buffalo is isolated, the situation becomes grim. This buffalo is formidable, fearlessly facing a group of lions. It attacked the lion head-on. These buffalo horns, once they hit a lion's hind leg, it's game over, resulting in fatal internal injuries. The lions are facing a very powerful opponent today, but the buffalo alone cannot fight the lions. This heavyweight animal, once it falls, it's hard to get up. Okay, but luckily, companions come back to rescue. Once the buffalo fights back, they will attack continuously. Absolutely must subdue the lion. Now the lion is cornered. Take a look. This lion can only climb trees to avoid the buffalo's pursuit. Look at the buffalo's horns. It is very sharp. The buffalo, although it's the main food source for lions, but the largest number of lions die under buffalo horns. The lions made a mistake this time. It attacked the small buffalo. But the adult buffalo arrived in time. It rammed the lions. The buffaloes in the herd have fully arrived, successfully rescued the small buffalo. This little pig was also attacked by buffalo herds. Today the buffalo herd is crazy. The lion made a mistake in hunting at this time. There's no other way. Lions can only run away. They have to change direction to other, easier prey. The buffalo today, absolutely invincible, finally achieved victory.